Hey guys, for this week's 2-minute tip, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how flexible your schedule is when you are diversifying through business ownership. So you know I am on the phone a lot. I have a lot of appointments throughout the day. I love helping people find businesses to invest in, but something I don't necessarily always have is a flexible schedule. So as a semi-absent business owner, I need to time block my day, make sure I'm spending some time focused on the marketing for us at game day. That's my job in the business. My husband handles the day-to-day operations. Thank goodness, that would not be my strong skill. But think about where your skill sets lie. If you're thinking about diversifying your income portfolio through business ownership, what are you great at? What skills do you want to be able to bring to the table? And then be ready to hire for the rest. If you're not going to be the face of your business, you're going to need to hire a manager that is going to be the face of the business. And so be ready for that. If you're into the minutia and you want to get into the weeds with everything in your life, semi-absent business ownership might be a challenge.